people with WTI. If you love Thai food like I do, then this yellow coconut curry is a must in your kitchen. YAI'S Thai curry is so delicious and authentic. We've made this with chicken, with meat, tempeh, tofu, and pasta. It gives our food such an exquisite and unique and rich taste. I love the fact that it's very thick, so when you put some on your dish, you can choose to put a couple tablespoons, the half jar, or the whole jar, depending on the quantity. This is gonna give your food just the right flavor. I truly appreciate how their ingredients are super clean. It doesn't have any anti-inflammatory oils or no sugar added. YAI'S Thai has a variety of delicious curry. So if you're not able to go to Thailand, then bring Thailand to your home, and that is my point of view.